What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft-verified app error you are getting when trying to install or use an application on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To make sure the installation error is not showing up in the future, open up your Windows settings. In the App section, navigate to your Advanced App Settings. The first option lets you choose whether you can install apps from anywhere, only from the Microsoft Store, or if you should be warned before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. When setting this option to anywhere, you can restart the installation process and the error will not show up. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.